Welcome to Droid Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing that you have to do is check your box and then open it to find the SIM ejector tool. It should be inside here. And then remove the SIM ejector tool from the box. Now all you need to do is take your phone and then remove the SIM tray. Very easy, just insert the SIM ejector tool and press it in. It should come out like that. Now check your SIM card and then place it like this, align the grooves, and it should sit easily. Now just put it in and make sure that your SIM is sitting on the tray properly, otherwise you may damage the SIM tray. And then just lightly press it in. It should go in easily. You shouldn't have to press it too hard. And now we are basically done, and the SIM should show up as you can see. And if we go to our settings app and then go to connections and then go to SIM manager, as you can see, my SIM card is now showing up in here. Now if you want to add an eSIM, you need to tap on this option and then use one of these two options to install your eSIM in this device. And that is how you can insert a SIM card in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.